It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland in the fall. Morning, Philly the foal. Morning, birds. Morning, Woofy the dog. Look, there's Honk the car. Morning, Swo Swoosh. Look at all these leaves, says Honk.
Morning, Honk,
Says Swo Swoosh. Why are the leaves falling from the trees? Honk doesn't know why the leaves are falling. Honk decided to go and ask Toot the boat. There's Toot the boat. Morning, Toot. Why are the leaves falling from the trees? Asks Honk.
Well, leaves change color and fall at this time of the year. It is autumn time,
Says Toot. But why don't the leaves just stay on the tree? Asks Honk.
That's a good question, Honk. Why do you think old leaves fall down?
Asks Toot.
I know. It's because the hot summer is over and it's starting to get colder,
Says Swo Swoosh.
That's right, Swo Swoosh. The trees lose all their leaves before the cold winter comes,
Says Toot. Toot told Honk and Swo Swoosh that winter time is very cold and nothing grows. And in winter, the tree goes to sleep. It doesn't make any more leaves, says Honk.
Very clever, Honk. The tree has a long sleep. All things that grow, the flowers, the trees, and the plants, sleep for the whole winter,
Explains Toot. Woofy wanted to play. Woofy loves having fun with leaves. Look, Swo Swoosh can make the leaves blow in a circle. What a clever little helicopter.
Please, can we have a turn too?
Bleats Lolly the lamb. Lolly and Foal also love playing in the leaves.
Swo Swoosh, I have a job for you.
Calls Mr. Porky.
Please, can you help me clean up some leaves?
Asks Mr. Porky.
Okay.
Look, Swo Swoosh is using his wind to help Mr. Porky clean up the leaves.
Who cleaned up all the leaves? Was it you, Mr. Porky?
Asked Mrs. Porky. It was Swo Swoosh, says Honk. Swo Swoosh is the best leaf cleaner upper in the whole of Springland. Have fun, everybody. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Honk the car. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Swo Swoosh the helicopter. Honk and the farm animals are on their way to the harbor. Toot the boat and Wally the whale are going to have a water race. Morning, Croak. Are you coming to watch the race? Everybody is invited, says Honk.
Oh, yes. I love a good race,
says Croak the frog. There's Toot the boat. He is wearing a red ribbon. There's Wally the whale. He has a green ribbon. Who is going to win the race, red or green?
Toot is going to win. Toot is much, much faster than Wally the whale,
says Swo Swoosh. Who? Toot? That old boat? Never. Wally the whale can swim much faster, argues Honk. Wally the whale and Toot are ready to start the race. Good luck, Wally. Good luck, Toot. Honk will see who wins the race. Swo Swoosh is ready to start the race.
Good luck, Wally,
whispers Toot.
May the best boat win.
Good luck, Toot,
whispers Wally the whale.
May the best whale win.
Swo Swoosh starts the race.
On your marks, get set.
And away they go. Honk is cheering for Wally.
Faster, Toot!
Shouts Swo Swoosh. Wally the whale can swim much faster under the water. Oh dear, where is Toot going? The finish line is the other way. Toot is looking for his friend, Wally Whale.
Wally! Wally!
Calls a worried Toot. Wally is going to win the race. Oh no, he isn't. What's happening? Wally has stopped. Oh dear, now Wally is swimming away from the finish line.
There you are, Wally,
calls Toot.
Where have you been? I was worried you got lost. I was under the water. I was worried you couldn't steer properly. You suddenly stopped and went the wrong way,
says Wally. Honk and Swo Swoosh realized that this was a very special race.
So, who won the race?
asked Croak the frog. Nobody won the race, Croak, explains Honk. But it was the best race we've ever had in Springland.
Wally and Toot didn't care about winning the race,
says Swo Swoosh. Sometimes helping your friend is more important than winning, explains Honk. Have fun, everybody. Last night, it rained in Springland. Good morning, baby ducks. Good morning, happy flowers. Who's this? Oh, it's Honk, the car. Honk is still very sleepy. Watch out, Honk. You don't want to get dirty. Oh, silly me, thinks Honk. Poor Honk. How will Honk get cleaned up? Maybe Swo Swoosh, the little helicopter, can help Honk get clean. Honk, asks Swo Swoosh.
Did you forget to have your bath last night?
Hello, Swo Swoosh, says Honk. No, I drove into that silly puddle. Please, can you help me get clean? Of course! Flying pigtails. Swo Swoosh has made Honk more dirty. And Swo Swoosh is also covered in mud. I'm sorry, Honk, blinked Swo Swoosh. That was not a good idea, says Honk. Poor Swo Swoosh was only trying to help. Never mind, sighs Honk. Let's go and visit Toot the boat. Maybe Toot has a better idea. Honk has his own big idea. Mother Sheep, you have such nice wool for cleaning. Please, can you rub us clean too? Poor, sad Honk. Will Honk always be a muddy little car? Suddenly, Honk knew how to get clean.
Are you ready, Honk?
Calls Toot the boat. Cries Swo Swoosh. Honk was right. This was a very good idea. Keep steady, Honk, and sploosh! Thanks for washing me clean, Toot, shivers Honk. Thanks for the shower, Wally the Whale, calls Swo Swoosh. Have a happy day in Springland, everybody. It's a warm, sunny day in Springland. Morning, butterfly. Morning, flowers.
Watch out, Lolly!
Shouts Mr. Woolly the sheep. Swo Swoosh has some exciting news to tell. Honk! There's a new foal on the farm! A new foal? What's that? Asks Honk. A foal is a baby horse. Yippee! A new friend. I'll race you, Swo Swoosh.
Ow! Ow!
Cries Honk. What's wrong, Honk? Asks Swo Swoosh. What's that sound?
Oh no, cries Swo Swoosh. You have a flat tire, Honk.
Honk is very disappointed.
Now I can't go and see the new foal,
Moans Honk.
I'll find you a new tire,
Calls Swo Swoosh.
Swo Swoosh to the rescue. What do I see? A new tire for Honk.
Mommy says it's very important to watch where you're going, Honk.
Bleats Lolly the lamb.
Always keep your eyes on the road.
Agrees Mrs. Woolly Sheep.
A new tire for Honk.
Calls Swo Swoosh.
It's too big.
Bleats Lolly the lamb.
Right,
Says Swo Swoosh.
I'll just find a smaller tire then. But Swo Swoosh, this tire is too small for me.
If I was Swo Swoosh, I'd take Honk's old tire and find one the very same size.
What a good idea,
Says Honk.
Hello, Swo Swoosh.
Calls Toot the boat.
What are you up to now?
Hello, Toot. Honk has a flat tire, and I can't find a new one the same size.
Says Swo Swoosh.
Well,
Chuckles Toot.
why not try the garage? They have all types of tires.
The garage, of course. There is a garage at the airport. Thanks, Toot.
Clever Swo Swoosh.
Just right. Thanks for finding me a new tire, Swo Swoosh. Hello, who's this? Hello, buddy. Do you want to play?
Swo Swoosh knew there was one last thing to do. Swo Swoosh really did come to the rescue today. Have fun, everybody! It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, sheep. Honk is going to fly his kite today.
Yippee!
Thinks Honk.
I love kites.
Here's Swo Swoosh the helicopter.
Morning, Honk.
Calls Swo Swoosh.
Did you remember the kite? Oh, yes.
Smiles Honk.
It's right here. Don't make so much wind.
Blinks Honk. There's Toot the boat. Good morning, Toot. Calls Honk.
Good morning.
Calls Toot.
The wind is just right for flying your kite.
I'll help you get the kite in the air.
Calls Swo Swoosh.
But Honk, where is the kite?
Says Toot.
It's right there.
Says Honk.
On my seat. Honk, I thought you said you had the kite.
Complains Swo Swoosh.
It was right here, I promise.
Says Honk.
Where can it be?
Maybe the kite fell out when you were driving.
Says Toot.
Let's all help look for it. I'll see if it blew into the water.
I'll see if I can find it from up in the air, announces Swo Swoosh.
I'll look on the land, calls Honk. Oh, I do hope we find it, thinks Honk.
Maybe the kite blew all the way to the top of the cloud,
thinks Swo Swoosh.
I don't see the kite floating on the water,
thinks Toot. Good morning. Did anyone see my kite? This is where Honk had a bump and where Swo Swoosh made so much wind. Hello, ducks. Honks honk. I think my kite fell into the river. Please look under the bridge for me.
Sorry, there is no kite under the bridge.
Quacks Mother Duck. Any luck? Calls Honk. My kite is lost forever, says a very sad little Honk. Think I'll go home now.
Hey, stop!
Shouts Swo Swoosh.
Sometimes we find what we're looking for only when we stop looking,
Chuckles Toot. Yippee! Kite flying time. Have a lovely day, everybody. Springland. Morning, Honk. You're up early. Morning, birds. Footprints, thinks Honk. But who do they belong to? Maybe Swo Swoosh the helicopter knows. Morning, Swo Swoosh. Look at these footprints. Animal footprints.
But what made them?
Asks Swo Swoosh. Let's find out, says Honk. Let's play Inspector Detective. Yippee!
Come along, you lot. We need to check your footprints.
These footprints are not the same, says Honk.
Can we go now?
Bleats Sheep,
You're free to go.
says Swo Swoosh. If we follow this trail, says Honk, we will find where the animal lives.
Stop right there,
Shouts Swo Swoosh.
And where do you think you're going?
Nowhere.
Says Floppy.
Somewhere.
Says Fluffy. Could we please check your footprints? Calls Honk.
So what do you think, Detective Honk?
Asks Swo Swoosh. I'm not so sure, Inspector Swo Swoosh, says Honk.
Okay, you're free to go.
Says Swo Swoosh. shouts Honk in his biggest voice. Please stop.
We need to check your footprint.
Says Swo Swoosh.
How could you think those ridiculous footprints are mine?
Complains Pig.
I have the most beautiful feet in the whole wide world.
Oh no!
Cries Swo Swoosh.
Our animal's fallen in the water.
That's terrible, says Honk. Come quick, Toot, shouts Honk. Our animal needs rescuing.
It might drown,
adds Swo Swoosh.
I don't think this animal needs rescuing.
Chuckles Toot. You've got funny feet, says Honk.
Funny feet? No way,
says Frog.
My feet are made for swimming and jumping.
Yes, says Swo Swoosh proudly. A perfect match. We have been following Frog's footprints. Frogs can live on land and water, adds Honk.
You're both very good detectives,
laughs Toot. Have fun, everybody. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning full, morning flowers, morning bee. There's Honk the car. He's very excited. The Silver Arrow, the fastest train in the world, is driving through Springland today. Here's Toot the boat. Morning, Toot, says an out-of-breath Honk.
Why are you in such a big hurry, Honk?
The Silver Arrow is passing through Springland, says Honk. At 1 o'clock today, it will ride over the bridge. Honk is in a big hurry to tell everyone in Springland about the Silver Arrow.
Honk, you forgot to fill your tank,
calls Toot. I have enough fuel in my petrol tank. Toot always starts every day with a nice full tank of fuel. Oh dear, Honk was wrong. His tank is nearly empty. Morning, Mrs. Cow. Don't forget the Silver Arrow at lunchtime today, calls Honk. Hush, Foal is drinking her water, whispers Mother Horse. Don't forget the Silver Arrow, whispers Honk back. All the animals in Springland know that it's best to start the day with a tummy filled with yummy food. Honk has told everyone in Springland to go to the bridge. What's wrong, Honk? Calls Swo Swoosh. I can't move. I'm out of petrol, shouts Honk. Oh no, I'm going to miss seeing the Silver Arrow. Poor Honk. He told everybody to come and see the train, and now he is stuck under the bridge.
I got you some petrol, Honk.
Honk was so happy. His best friend Swo Swoosh had come to the rescue.
Hurry up, Honk.
Calls Swo Swoosh.
Here comes the silver arrow. Wasn't that the coolest train in the whole world?
Says Swo Swoosh.
The silver arrow is the best,
Says Honk. But you know what's even better, Swo Swoosh? You are the best friend in the whole world.
Yes, I know,
Sighs Swo Swoosh. At last, Honk has a full tank. Now he can enjoy his day and be a busy little car again. Have fun, everybody. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Wally the whale. Morning, foal. Swo Swoosh the helicopter has a new harness. It is used for lifting things up into the air. Hey, there's Honk the car. Today, Swo Swoosh wants to take Honk flying.
Come on, Honk. I'll give you the first airlift in my new harness,
Calls Swo Swoosh. Poor Honk is scared, but he doesn't want to tell anybody. Not today, thanks, says Honk. Not today, calls Honk. Poor Swo Swoosh thinks Honk is mad with him.
Maybe Honk isn't feeling well today.
Bleats Lolly the lamb. Phew, Honk is very glad that Swo Swoosh has flown away.
Flying must be such fun.
Says Torty Turtle, giving Honk a big fright. There's Toot the boat.
I don't think Honk wants to be my friend anymore, Toot,
says an unhappy Swo Swoosh. Honk doesn't want Swo Swoosh to ask him to fly again. Honk explains to Toot that he is afraid of heights and gets very dizzy if he goes too high. Swo Swoosh is my best friend. How am I going to tell him I don't want to have an airlift? Asks Honk. I'm a car, not a bird. I like staying on the ground.
There's only one thing to do, Honk,
Explains Toot.
You must tell Swo Swoosh the truth.
But Toot, says Honk, then everybody will think I'm a scaredy cat and they will laugh at me.
No, Honk. There's nothing wrong with telling someone you're afraid of something,
Explains Toot.
Are you still mad with me, Honk?
Asks Swo Swoosh. I wasn't mad with you. I was just too shy to tell you I'm scared of flying, explains Honk.
Oh, I'm I'm sorry, Honk. I didn't know you were afraid of heights,
says Swo Swoosh.
Hey, I'm scared of some things too, like falling into the water,
admits Swo Swoosh.
Please, can I have a ride?
Asked Torty Turtle. At last, Honk was happy again. Have fun? It's a very special day in Springland. It's Animal Sports Day. Morning, everybody. Look at all those prizes. The special one is the prize for the best sportsmanship. Look, Toot the boat is going to start the running race.
Ready?
Calls Toot.
On your marks, get set.
Look how fast Woofy and Foal can run. And here comes Torty the tortoise. Foal is the fastest sprinter in Springland. Well done, Torty. Torty really wished he could run as fast as Foal, but that tortoise didn't mind not winning the race. Who is the best hurdler in Springland? On your marks, get set. Wow! Look at those hopping rabbits go! A tie for first place. Torty never gave up. What a good sport. Well done, bunnies. The next event, the high jump. Oh, hard luck, Floppy. Nice try, calls Honk. What a high jump! Croak the frog is the winner. Please, can I try? Calls Torty the tortoise. Honk and Swo Swoosh decided to give Torty a fair chance. That was a very high jump for a little tortoise. It was time to decide the winner of the special prize, the prize for the best sportsmanship.
Well done, everybody,
announces Toot the boat.
The sports champion of Springland for trying his best and never giving up goes to Torty, the bravest little tortoise in the world. Well done, Torty.
It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures.
It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Woofie. Morning, busy bunnies. Morning, Lolly the lamb. Look, there's Honk the car. Lolly is trying to hide away from Honk. Boo! Bleats Lolly the lamb in her biggest voice. Honk knew Lolly wanted to play a fun game. You gave me a big fright, Lolly. Do you want to play hide and seek? Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, calls Honk. I'm coming to find you, ready or not. Oh dear, Lolly didn't find a very good hiding place. It was very easy for Honk to find Lolly. Honk thinks he's found a good hiding place. Listen to Lolly. She's only little and can't count so well. Who's going to help Lolly count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, counts Lolly the lamb.
What comes after 4? 5, 6, 8, no, 7, 8, 9. What's the last number again? I remember 10.
Oh dear, how will Lolly find Honk? Look, there's Swo Swoosh, the helicopter. Honk, why is your head stuck in that silly old hedge? Calls Swo Swoosh. Did you lose something in the hedge, Honk? Calls Swo Swoosh. Oh dear, Swo Swoosh is going to show Lolly where Honk is hiding. Go away, Swo Swoosh, whispers Honk. I'm playing hide and seek, and I don't want Lolly to find me.
There you are, Honk.
Bleats Lolly the lamb.
I'm the cleverest sheep in Springland.
It was now Swo Swoosh's turn to hide. Look, there's Toot the boat. Morning, Toot, calls Honk. We are playing hide and seek. Have you seen Swo Swoosh? Toot didn't want to give away Swo Swoosh's secret hiding place.
Swo Swoosh, let me think. Where could Swo Swoosh be?
Pretends Toot. Shh! Be quiet, Woofie, whispers Swo Swoosh. If you keep barking like that, they'll find me. And Honk and Lolly did. It was now Wolfie's turn to run and hide. Hide and seek is a fun game for a sunny day. Who wants to play?